To open a free account in Dubai Islamic Bank, start by downloading the DIB mobile app. Once you open the app, simply tap on New Customer. We're going to scan our Emirates ID in a minute, but before we do that, here are a few important things you need to keep in mind. You only need your Emirates ID and a copy of your passport to open this account. It will also take just a few minutes to open this account, and it will be activated in just 2 working days. So tap on Let's Start. Input or enter your email address and your mobile number. Go ahead and verify your mobile number by entering the OTP that will be sent to you. Once you click on the Verify and Proceed button, you will then have to choose between the current and savings account. Review these accounts carefully and then select the one that best suits your needs. Tap on the Next button. On this page, if you are not a USA citizen, simply tap on the Next button. With just 2 steps left to finish our account setup, here we have to share our Emirates ID, our passport, and our signature. If you don't have the original passport, don't worry. You can use any copy as long as it's very clear, okay? The same also applies to your Emirates ID. So scan your Emirates ID, both the front and the back side, and then verify your face scan. Once that is done, then scan your passport. To get your signature, sign on a white clean paper, a signature that resembles the one that is on your Emirates ID, and then scan it. Then you'll be good to go, and tap on the Next button so that we can move on. So here, provide more information about yourself. Select the purpose of opening this account. We have different options like financing, investments, personal use, salary, and savings. I prefer personally to use personal use. Again, provide more information about your employment status, starting with your sponsor name, your employment status, your occupation, whether you're full-time or part-time or self-employed. Also enter your total monthly income. For example, if your basic salary is 2,000, but your total monthly income is 3,000 or 4,000, you enter the total monthly income. Also keep in mind, the minimum salary requirement for this account is 3,000. So for those of you who have less than 3,000 total monthly salary, you can try other zero balance banking options like the M Bank, the Ria Bank, or even the Sharia Digital Islamic Bank. Enter your address information starting with your country of birth. Select whether you have dual nationality and input your UAE address details. Then also enter your country address details like the name of the street, the city, and the country itself. Enter the anticipated monthly cash deposit onto this account. Also enter the anticipated average account balance. Since the minimum salary requirement for this account is 3,000, I would recommend enter 3,000 as the anticipated average account balance. Also enter the anticipated cash and non-cash transactions and then tap on the Next button. Carefully read through the terms and conditions of this service, alright? And then select the checkbox if you agree, and then again tap on the Next button to finalize this account opening. All you have to do here is create a username, create a password, and confirm it in this box below. Follow the guidelines you see on the screen to create a strong password that you always use to log in into your DIB account. So that's how you create a DIB account in just minutes online.